Okay, this is a short lesson on the fundamental theorem of calculus. The fundamental theorem of calculus says if you take the integration of your f of x, going over the interval from a to b, which is going to be the antiderivative of b, subtract the antiderivative of a, that will end up giving me the area under the curve going from a to b, okay, for any continuous function. So for example, if I want to find the area between the x-axis and the function y equals x squared plus 3x plus 2 going from 0 to 3, okay, that is me finding the area under that curve. So I have a parabola going from x equals 0 to x equals 3, and I'm finding that area under the curve between the curve and the x-axis. So in doing so, I want to integrate my x squared plus 3x plus 2 dx, and I'm going to put it in square brackets. It's going to equal, and I'll put in the, I'm going from 0 to 3, so there's my intervals. I'll do the antiderivative, so it's going to be x cubed divided by 3 plus 3x squared divided by 2 plus 2x. I'm going from 0 to 3. So when doing the antiderivative, I raise my exponent and divide by the increased exponent. Raise the exponent, divide by the increased exponent. Raise the exponent, and here I'll be divided by 1. Now I'm going to be taking my antiderivative and plugging in my interval, so antiderivative at 3, subtracting away the antiderivative at the lower interval, which was 0. So it's going to become plugging in the value, so it'll be 3 cubed divided by 3 plus 3 times 3 squared divided by 2 plus 2, and it'd be to 3. So that's my antiderivative with the 3 in. Subtract the antiderivative with a 0 in. 0 cubed divided by 3 plus 3 times 0 squared divided by 2 plus 2 times 0. So that would give me 27 divided by 3, which will give me 9 plus, and I'm going to have 3 squared, which is 9 times 3 is 27 again. I'll have 27 over 2 plus 6 minus, and this is all going to go to just a 0. Okay, so minus 0. And then I'm going to have, when I go to calculate that, okay, I will end up getting 57 over 2 as my area under the curve. Okay, so it's just a matter of taking the antiderivative. You have your interval that you're going from 0 to 3, put in square brackets, then take this antiderivative, plug in your higher value 3, subtract the antiderivative with the lower value of 0 put in a matter of just evaluating afterwards. This is the fundamental theorem of calculus. Thank you very much.